Okay. By my estimation, it should be another 50 yards ahead of us. Yeah, I understand how that is. But we're heading for the car. Good dog. Dead bird. Dead bird. Yeah, that's right. Whoa! Well, that was unexpected. And that's not the one she was pointing. I'm glad I brought lots of ammo. I grabbed the wrong trigger to start with. I should have brought the Franchi. Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Well, it might have been that he was over here and then
ran back to you, that got me scared.
well, I almost stepped on him. Yeah, with more than a little bit of surprise. They couldn't have been 2 feet away when he went up.
We walked over him.
Unless that's the same one. He just left if it was the one that I just shot at.
That's the wounded one.
It's the wounded one. Here we go. Give.